Good evening, my fellow diecast collectors. It's Wheel Collectors. We're back today with another ancient case. I don't even know what this is. We found a couple of them in the very top of our racks. Let's check this thing out. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Let's hope it... This one looks old to me, guys. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Flying Customs. 16 in a box. I don't even remember what year this is from. That's how old this is. Let's check out what year this is. This is the Flying Customs A case from, let's see here. Oh my gosh, 2012. So this is a 7-year-old case, guys. So we're going to do a 2x2 case opening. The card backs obviously have that retro look to them that we all like. And the first two are the 69 Copo Corvette. This, for me personally, I love the retro look. I love the retro feel. But, you know, that's when I grew up, and this is what was on the shelves then. So anything that's like a throwback to those days, for me, is fun. That doesn't mean it has to be fun for everybody. The next two in the case right here are two more of the 69 Copo Corvette. So that means that there's 4 of those in this A case. Which means it's the one that's, you know, the extra one that they put in. The next two cars here, the Flying Customs, we've got the 74 Chevrolet Vega Pro Stock. Got the neon green with the tampos on it. Totally looks like the 70s. Got the hood scoop on it. Look at that thing. Whew. Okay, then the other one in this particular case is the Plymouth Arrow, the 77 Plymouth Arrow. This one is pretty popular. Again, total 70s look to it. Amazing. The next two cars in the case are the Vega Pro Stock again. So it looks like there's 3 of those per case. And then the next two are 2 more of the Plymouth Arrow. So those look like they're 3 per case. And again, you know, for us here at Wheel Collectors, it's fun to go back and just look at some of these cases. I mean, this is 2012. This is 7 years old. Just going back and looking at what came out then and remembering how the mixes were. Chevy Monza is the next one. People like the Chevy Monza. The next two are another Chevy Monza and a Dumping A, which I always thought was funny. I actually had that particular one. It was kind of orangey from the 80s. And then the last 2 cars of the 16 car case. So that's it for the case. The last 2 are 2 more Dumpin' A's. The Flying Customs. So if you look at it, give me 1 second here, I'll get this organized. We'll do a top-down view here. So there was 3 sets of A, and then of course you had the extra Copo Vet. So there you go. That's our ancient case opening for this week from 2012. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment and subscribe. We got more stuff cooking for you. Thank you again.